Alright guys, turn this oven on. Tofu is finished here. And the egg is here. I just put it very low so I can make the video for you. I call it omelette eggs. So this with organic zucchini. And you know what this? It's an organic flour from zucchini. You can also do it with the pumpkin flowers. Yeah. Very nice. Let's put it very high now. So it's done very quickly. Oh, yummy. You just swirl it a bit. Okay. And I put it lower because it look like in the bottom already cooked. See that one? Oh, see? Nice in the corner. Now I have to put this light on again. So it cooked already. Okay. Now I'll come back in maybe 2 to 3 minutes. It will be cooked because I put the flour really on. Alright guys, cheers. Alright, 2 minutes later, I come back. I'm gonna break this over. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I put over this. I lowered the part again guys so you won't hurt the phone or the camera. Yeah. So good. Nice good zucchini. Flowers. You have to cook really thoroughly these eggs. Or they will have just like this. See the flowers? Ooh, I love that. Flowers. Cheers. Very hot. Okay, I lowered the fire again. Just to cook like that. Yeah, very, very low fire. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'll try my tofu. It's okay. Nani? But I like the marinated tofu. This one is very simple. Just salt, pepper. That's it. I like everything. Okay. You can put that up too if you want to. One side zucchini. It's nice and juicy. This is the flour, I guess. Here's guys. Yeah, that's it. That's my omelette egg. Sarap. Okay. In 1 minute I remove it and I'm going to eat it. Cheers everybody. Thank you so much. Have a great day guys. Enjoy and you can try this menu too. With a special flour, pumpkin or zucchini flowers. For your omelette. Yum. I turn this off now because it's really hot. That's our egg omelette. Yummy. It's hot. Let's remove this from the flour. If you don't want that bombay or onions that much so a bit of thicker, yeah, you can do really finely. I'm in a stuff right now guys, so I just do it very roughly instead. Just go put in here. That's it. Voila. That's our egg omelette. Yeah, well, this will be a quick lunch. Nice. Cheers everyone. Have a great day. once a week, sometimes even twice a week, or twice in every 2 weeks, once or twice in every 2 weeks. Cheers everyone. Now we're just gonna try this a bit. The zucchini here. That's nice. That was raw zucchini I put, but seems like cooked nicely. I could smell the onion leaves. Yummy. Alright guys, very satisfying food. I add a little bit of pinch of vegetable stocks too, so it adds bit flavor and less salt. See? That's the zucchini flowers. That's yummy. Wow. Okay, I set aside that so I can get the thumbnail. Yummy. Alright guys, try this. It's really yummy. Trust me, it's so good. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show that I cooked today. Really quick one. Very easy to cook. Yummy. Oh, the flavor of the onions. Yummy. And also this is organic egg, so it tastes extra flavorful. Yummy. Have a good day. Bye. Thanks for watching everybody.